Hello everyone, happy Sunday. Thank you for joining me for another card tutorial. Today I am going to be focusing on a very simple card, and some of you who are more experienced, if you're watching this video, you may have even not know exactly where I'm going with what you see in front of me, but I will definitely explain that. So before I continue, hi to all of my subscribers. To those of you who are new subscribers, I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And for those of you who are older, I appreciate you guys for still sticking with me. Also, to those of you who have dropped by to watch my videos, again, I truly appreciate you guys. Without you, I will not be wanting to come here and do those videos, but I enjoy doing them anyway. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now, I am making this video specifically for someone who doesn't have die cutting machines, someone who doesn't have, all the fancy equipment, embossing folders, all of that good stuff, but they want to make a card and they want to utilize what they have or could have. So in front of me are a few strips of paper that I had from, doing other cards and things like that. They are not necessarily cardstock papers, but, like when you go to the craft stores, they have those nice little pattern papers or different things. It depends on what the occasion is, and you want to just make a nice card. You will go strips, which is easy to do. You don't need anything else but glue, a pair of scissors, and of course the what you're going to be using for the for the card base. Okay, I typically use the 110-pound cardstock from Michaels, and this is a 5.5 by 4.25. So I'm going to be going ahead and just showing you, just a very simple card, easy way, and just kind of give you, an idea. So with strips, you can do strips in many different ways. You can either go diagonal. It just depends on what you want. Go diagonal. Okay. Lay it how you want. It's up to you. You can go diagonal. Let's see. And I'm just showing you this. You can go diagonal or you can go across. You can do the entire, like really the entire thing all the way down, or you can go diagonal all the way through, or you can go straight all the way through, or you can perhaps, just do like a centerpiece and that's it. But for this video, I'm going to just show you going diagonal. So let's begin. And again, layering it is entirely up to you. There's no, right or wrong way with that. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the first strip. Make sure that your strip, it's wherever you put it, it's like on the end like this, right? So it overlaps on both sides because you're going to be cutting. Okay, so I did this here because I did not have enough strips, but again, it's just pretty much, you using your imagination. So right now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess. When we're done, we will flip over so you can see what's on the other side and what I'm referring to. So here we have your card. Okay, this is just an example. So you really don't have to do anything fancy. I mean, this in and of itself is a really beautiful card. If you want to go ahead and continue to, say example, you want to add some more in here. So let's go ahead and add another piece. If you want to do that, it's entirely up to you how you want to lay them. If, every mistake is a fashion, all of that good stuff. We know about that. Okay. So this is, again, just very simple. Once you have strips, just take it away, do the strips how you like. So I hope this is helpful to you, especially to beginners. So thank you for watching, guys. I shall see you next week. Bye.